How to log in into your Citizen Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Citizen Bank online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and type in citizenbank.com, then hit enter. Find the login button at the top right corner of the page and tap on it. In the login option at the drop-down menu, select the personal and small business, then tap on the login. Now you will be taken towards the login page. Here you will need to enter your user ID, password and then tap on the login. By any chance, if you have forgotten your password or if you are having trouble logging in, you can click on password change option. If your details are correct, you will be directed towards the dashboard of Citizen Bank. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Citizen Bank online account. Now you can manage your account, view your statements, do the transactions and much more. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.